is another wisdom. Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about a powerful tools, a software that you can download to your system and you can use it to do screen record, you can use it to do video presentation, you can use it to do record like lecture record, anything like that. Most of the video that you have been seeing that I'm doing, I'm using these powerful tools to do it, because since when I discovered these tools, it has been my favorite screen recorder tools, because it comprises of any feature you can think about. You want to show your face, you want to do live streaming, you want to do video game streaming. Think of anything that you want to use a computer screen recorder for. These powerful tools have all the necessary feature. Even despite the fact that it is free, totally free, it is even more advanced than most of these paid one that you will see outside. So this make it a very powerful one. Okay, so but before we go there, if you are coming across this video for the first time, my name is Ola from Amatip IT Consulting Limited, an IT company based in London, United Kingdom. We are providing IT services and solutions for businesses and individuals. So if you like to be receiving this type of information on computing and informatics, different technology information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel now, like our video and share with your relative, your friend and family. And by the next time, you will be the first person to receive our new update. If you are following our channel, definitely you don't need to enroll for any computer training whatever again, because every necessary information that you need, definitely we will be providing it for you day in, day out, one after the other. Okay, so we'll be going to the system now, and I will show you this powerful software I'm talking about, how you can download it, how to install it, and how to use it, so you have better understanding of it. So it's a very powerful one. Think of anything you want to use computer screen record for. These powerful tools can actually do it for you. You want to do a video presentation, whatever, you want to do a lecture, you want to deliver a lecture online, think of anything like that. You see, this is a powerful one. So it's another gift to you from Amatip IT Consulting Limited. Nice. Let's go to the system now. Thank you. Welcome guys. So to your notice, these tools that I'm talking about, this is the tools I'm also using presently to do this record. Okay, so let me show you the tools. We call it OBS. So it is a very good tool that you can use to do screen record, live streaming, game streaming. Think of anything that you want to stream your screen, you want to deliver a lecture, you want to do a presentation, all these things, you can use this software for it. So all you need to do is to go to your Google and type OBS. There are a lot of screen recorder outside, but I find this one to be a very good one. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux. It works on almost every operating system. Okay, so once you search for OBS, you see it like this, and the first link here, you can click on it, then it will take you to the website of OBS, in which you can download the one that's suitable to your own system. If you are using a Windows, you can choose Windows, Mac, or Linux. So for me, I'm using Windows. Then I will click on Windows. Then you can see it's already ready to download. You can see it's 128 megabytes in size. Then you can choose the location you want to download it to. Then once you click save, the file will download. Actually, I have it on my system already, but for the lecture purpose, then we have click on save now, and you can see it have started downloading. Then once the download finish, then you can go to your folder and navigate to where you download it to. So under defaults, it should be on your download folder. Then once you open your download folder, you will see it there. Then you can double click it to launch it, then install. The installation process is very simple. But due to the fact that I have it on my system here, so I might not need to install it again. But had it been there is any difficult aspect on in the installation that you will not get, I will have had. But based on my experience, it is very simple to install. You just need to double click it, then next. It will prompt you that are you ready to install it, yes or no, then you click yes, then next. The installation will complete. Then you can, anytime you want to use it, you have it on your, because I'm using it presently, so but you can see I have it on my desktop here. So you can double click it, then it will launch it for you like this. Once it's open for you like this, you can see, you will see start streaming, start recording, start video, start feature, camera, start audio, studio mode, setting and the likes. So it depends on whatever you want to do. But let me just show you some necessary feature that you need to know. Yeah. For instance, you might not want to you might not want to show your face here. So if you want to remove this video that you don't want your face to show, then you need to come to other source here. So on the source, click on the plus sign. You can see that plus sign under source. Anywhere on your own screen, just locate the source, then click on the plus sign. On the plus sign, then you see the list of options like this, then choose. Depend on what you want to achieve. If you want to display capture, then you use display capture. Video capture device to select if you want to use your webcam or you want to use another video source. So you just need to add. You can see I have video capture device here already. Okay, so once I have one already, add an existing, so or I can also remove it. So if I can remove it, I can add. So depend on what you want to achieve. Then if you want to capture your window, you can add display capture. All this one I've added before, but depend on whatever you want to use it for. Maybe you just want to use it for screen alone, you can use screen alone. If you want to add video, you can use it, and you can resize it with this one, because when you are doing it for the first time, it might not appear actually like this, but you can see once you click on that video, it shows all this red line. So at the angle here, you can use it to resize it. If you want it to show only you, you want to resize it, and you can also decide the location you want to place it. I just drag the video to any location you want to place it. You can see I place it here. I can drag it to another location. It depends on what you want. And also you can do a live, you can stream. When you want to stream, you need to include your stream URL. Like you want to stream directly, live stream it to YouTube or Facebook and the likes. You just need to put all those one at the setting. So you can as well go to the setting. I will not able to stop it to show you some settings now, because I'm also using it directly like this. But once you come to the settings, you can, that's this is the general settings. You can go through it and identify the particular one that's suitable to your needs. Then the stream, if you want to stream, you can stream on different social media platforms like Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, anywhere. You can see, and you can show all to you. Then you can select wherever you want to stream to. Then you might need your stream live key to put there. Then the output, you can also set the output, the type of output you want. If you want MP4, whatever, you can set all the parameter you want here. But the video is already on record, so I'm not able to set it now. But most importantly, record formats, you can see this one is in MP4. You can actually bring it to any format that you want. Then the audio, you can also select the type of audio, the device you want to use, the video. You can select the resolution you want and the lights. Alt key, you can set your alt key, and all this thing is totally free. So you can see how powerful the software is. That is the settings. So let's go. No, we don't want to save anything. Okay, so that is it. Anytime you want to start, you can just click on start recording and minimize like that, and whatever you are doing from there is capture your video, capture your audio, capture everything, your screen and the lights. So you can just open wherever you want to open, and everything will be going like that. Okay, and once you finish the record, you can come back and stop the recording, then go back to your file wherever you set it to be saved. It can be video file. Under the video, then you can see the output, and at the same time you can come to file here. You can see show recording. Once you click on show recording, it will show you the location of everything that you have recorded. That's it. That's how simple it is. Okay, so if you feel like our information, kindly subscribe to our channel for more powerful things that is coming that you don't know. Thank you.